today, we work this PMS, preventive
Ito lang mga English mo, kaibigan ko.
preventive maintenance service. Today's light is called that grease. We have a grease gun to apply to this cylinder.
Okay.
Malupitin.
Yeah, yaki. We have ano? Takip.
Takip. Where's the takip? Use the takip.
Use the takip.
Compadre.
Bumabalik to. Bumabalik.
We close it. Use the ringer of the tower crane.
Mabasahan yung. Mabasahan.
We have a rug.
Rug, yes, of course.
Okay.
Malupitin.
I use this to clean it before use it. Well, apply.
Where?
Malupitin.
Only here.
Tama ka. Ako taga-pupay. Ikaw taga-ano. Ikaw taga-dook.
Here? In the ringer?
This both sides. We have a tree.
Okay, maano ba?
It's okay. It's okay. I pull it.
I pull it. Ay, wala mga English speaking.
Preventive maintenance.
Preventive maintenance. In Muñoz, Quezon City.
Oo.
In Philippines.
Hindi mo lang kung ubos na yung grasa, lalagyan namin dito.
In Tagalog, grasa.
Grease.
In English, grease. Okay.
Ano yan lugar yun
Greece. Greece. In Europe.
Wow, Europe ba yan?
Yeah. Not Greece, land. Location, no.
Di pa nga nakainom to.
Ito kayo, no?
Tama na.
Okay.
PMS. Guys, habang umiikot to, Jong, malapit lang, saka lang. Okay na raw, sabi ni Jong malapit. Guys, yan na, sa tuktok na sila guys. Gasa sila. Sobrang init. Yan. Pala, may dito lang kami ni Pater. Overload na. Taas.
Wala na, bumaba na.
Bababa na sila. Tapos ng pagkagrasa. Bababa na mga mandirigma.
Almost done.
Ha? Almost done?
Apply the grease. All of table of the fittings of
Down! Down!
wrapping cable.
Down!
And then have no lubricant.
No lubricant yet?
No free lubricant. We cannot apply now. Only a week. We come here. Maybe next month. Maybe this week. I'm go back here.
Okay.
To preventive maintenance service. With all together with Ryan Lunel and Coach Charlie and you, Gilbert.
Yeah.
Young. Yes.
I love jet rock.
I love jet rock. Gang.
You don't love Mega Wide?
Because Mega White is not feeling good to me. Because we have a pandemic. We will pull up the people, worker.
You pay.
I have paid almost 100K.
Whoa. Sana all.
With Tute and Joey. Nickname Tute.
The lover boy.
The lover boy. Tute. Where's Tute? In Pampanga.
Joey is feeling in love.
We're feeling in love. We're together. Together forever. Who is cute? What is the real name of cute? Real name of cute?
Kenneth
Actually, very cute.
Farid.
Very cute face.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a
Like Kenneth Farid,
alright,
the NBA player.
Okay. Si Tidal.